Snuppy, the first ever cloned dog, has been successfully recloned, a new study has revealed. The story started with Tai, a normal Afghan hound who was cloned in 2005, giving rise to Snuppy. Snuppy lived a normal dog life, and at the age of 5, researcher collected some of Snuppy's stem cells to clone him, ultimately leading to 3 clones of Snuppy which are now aged 7 and seem to be healthy and normal. The process involves obtaining live cells from a living dog, or a dog 5 days after it has died. Dogs that have similar ovulation time are selected as egg donors and surrogate mothers. Eggs are collected from the egg donor through a procedure called flushing, and the nuclei of the eggs, which contain the DNA of the egg donor, is removed. Then donor cell is then injected into the enucleated egg, and the 2 cells are fused together. This fusion procedure produces a cloned embryo that is transferred into a surrogate dog. A team of researchers with Seoul National University, Michigan State University, and the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign recloned Snuppy. Although Snuppy died in 2015 at the age of 10, he was recloned when he was 5, and the researchers have only now published the study about it. Since 2005, when researchers at Seoul National University had cloned the first dog, hundreds of other dogs have been cloned as well, offering an opportunity to learn more about the potential benefits and drawbacks of cloning animals. Now, in another first, the researchers have cloned the clone they cloned. When researchers first cloned Tai in 2005, they inserted his cells into the eggs of a female donor, after removing the original cell nucleus and then implanting them in the female's uterus. This led to Snuppy, who lived a mostly normal dog life on Seoul National University's campus, which gave his name Snuppy. At the age of 5, researchers collected stem cells from Snuppy and used them to inseminate females. Overall, 94 embryos were implanted, which led to just 4 successful pregnancies and births. One of the puppies died shortly after due to a bout of unexplained diarrhea, but the other 3 clones of Snuppy survived. Although it's not uncommon for one of a litter of puppies to die, the researchers say it was disconcerting that in this case, it was due to an unexplained cause. The puppies who survived, which were 9 months old at the time the research was published, were healthy and normal. Both Tai and Snuppy shared a very similar lifespan and died of cancer, but these were different types of cancers, and neither was rare or unique. According to the study, Snuppy didn't exhibit any notable health problems until the development of cancer, which was also diagnosed in his cell donor Tai at a similar age. The aim of the research is to learn more about the viability of cloned animals. Despite much research, scientists still aren't certain if cloned animals suffer unknown birth defects, or if their lifespans are shorter than normal animals. There is a growing consensus that cloning results in neither of these things. Many animals have been cloned and studied, and thus far, there is little to no evidence indicating that the cloning process introduces flaws. Less work is being done in studying clones of clones though, which means that other researchers studying cloning will be closely watching for reports on the progress of the now 7-year-old dog reclones. As with Snuppy, the researchers don't expect that the recloned dogs will go through an accelerated rate of aging, or will be more prone to develop diseases than naturally bred animals. The researchers will continue to study the second-generation cloned puppies and their long-term health, aging, and longevity. Since both Tai and Snuppy had cancer, the reclones may also provide potential insights into the development of cancer. Britain welcomed its first cloned dogs in 2015 after the dogs' owners paid £67,000 to have their dead boxer replicated in a lab in South Korea. Laura, Jack and Richard Remead from West Yorkshire flew to the clinic in Seoul before Christmas, and on Boxing Day welcomed Chance, the first of the two cloned puppies. The second dog, called Shadow, had arrived on the Monday after and looks exactly like Chance and the couple's former dog Dylan. The puppies were healthy and bonded with their surrogate mothers who fed and cared for them. They both bear markings that are identical to those Dylan had, and the dogs have made scientific history because they were cloned from the couple's dead dog 12 days after he died. Both dogs, named after characters from the film Homeward Bound, were born at the Seoul Biotech Research Foundation, with Ms. Jack, 29, and Mr. Remead, 43, the first people in Britain to pay for a dog cloning procedure.